Good evening to everyone. My wife bought me a Christmas gift, or better to say, she got me a gamepad, a controller, Thrustmaster, which we're gonna test out today, and I'll give you my first impression about it. She knows me all too well after 10 years of being together, and she knew exactly how to make me happy, and this would be it. This is a kinda pricey gamepad. Not a classical prices like for the other gamepads that I was using and the majority of the world is using for the Xbox and for PlayStation. Okay, it's a bit more expensive than them, but let's see how it works in video games. That's even more important. So let's do the unboxing and then I'll test it out in some video game immediately after the unboxing. Let's go. It looks nice. Let's open it up. eSwap Pro Controller. I really hope it's gonna sustain me, because there is no gamepad I can't break in a few months. Ah, it's good, it's heavy. Nice. Very nice. It looks nice. Fits in a hand. I don't have small hands, okay, so it fits extremely well in a hand. Got extra buttons from behind as well. Triggers feel good. Bumpers as well. Oh, it's so responsive, man. This is so much better than the previous gamepads. Listen to this. You know, it sounds like old arcade machines. You know, when you click buttons on old arcade machines, that clicking sound it produces. On buttons, usually this sound goes to triggers. Okay, here triggers don't produce that sound, but buttons do. It feels very responsive. Let's see how it works in a game. I love the design. Black, very good. It looks amazing. Oh man, you can even hear the D-pad. Nice, it really feels nice under the hand. I love it so far. Let's see how it works in a game. I can't wait to test it out. Let's go to the game. Alright, let's test it out. You see how big the gamepad is compared to my head. It's amazing how responsive it is. It's really responsive. Let's see how it works in the game. I'm not used to it, but so far I highly recommend. Let's see how responsive it is. I picked Summum Aeterna for the gamepad, just for some mini test. It's absolutely amazing. I mean, I've played with a lot of different gamepads, all high quality gamepads. This is probably the highest quality gamepad that you can get, man. It's just... this is another level. Like, it's really good. It doesn't matter what map we pick, it's whatever. So let's test out the gamepad. It's a different level. Bloody hell, it's so freaking responsive, it's great. This is like the best Christmas present that I could get from my wife. Like, literally, this is like... Man, those vibrations on a gamepad, I can't even explain. Where do I switch off vibrations, by the way, on a gamepad? Give me a second. How do you switch off vibrations here? Is it this? What is this? Anyone know what's this? I'll need to figure out the gamepad along the way as well. I don't know what it does. I need to check the instructions for all of this. This is start, select, Xbox menu. There is a Thrustmaster like this, okay, only with a PlayStation sign, and then it comes with a stick over here instead of a D-pad. So it depends who likes what. They both work. On a PC, I picked an Xbox because it makes more sense because of the PC, but you can take whichever one you like more, of course. Depends what you like. I don't know how to switch up vibration, to be honest. I'll check it out later and how it works. For now, like, you have a feeling like it's gonna drop out of your hands how strong those vibrations are on a gamepad. Every time when you hit someone, when you receive a hit, it's just crazy good gamepad. I'm not used to it, okay, because every button that I click has that mini click sound, like on the old arcade machines. I mean, a lot of people will love it because of it. I'm just not used to it. It's gonna take, for me, it's gonna take at least 2 days to get used to this. But I guess it's very easy to get used to quality things, because that is pure quality. It really is. The gamepad, controller, call it how you like, it completely justifies the price. It's absolutely insane. It feels great in a hand, it's responsive, it's just brilliant, okay? Brilliant. I highly recommend the gamepad. It's especially good with people that have a bit larger hands. Especially good for those.